Alright guys, welcome back. So right here we have this 2004 BMW X5. So it's a 3.0i. So I'm here wondering why they never made this part in metal. So you can see there's a plastic one right here. This plastic is start to leak. So all you need to do is just make the vehicle with straight metal one, just like this one. So I'm going to pin the link in the description where I can get this one from Amazon. So I'm going to share the link and you can order yours. If you have the same car with the same issue, leaking problem, that's it right here. So this is the original one that's leaking. So you can see that green, those green, dry green coolant right here. So just keep leaking. That's it right here. So this is the toolkit. I'm also gonna pin the link in the description for this toolkit, so you can get yours on Amazon to remove the fan clutch. So that's what I have to remove there, the fan clutch right here. And when you pull in the clutch, you're gonna pull it to the right hand side facing the vehicle from the front. Pull it to the right, and to lock it back, you're gonna go to the left. So that's it right here, guys. So I'm going to install back the new one. So these are the bolts. So this one, you carry three 10mm bolts right here, and this is a 30mm. I don't know if this is the original bolt that came in there, but this go on top of the housing, the thermostat housing, and the other three around it. That's it right there. So guys, if you find this video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching. Catch you another time. Bye.